In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize invoices, quotes, purchase orders, and receipts in Xero, a process that allows you to tailor your financial documents to better fit the specific needs and style of your business. When you're ready, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the top bar of your Xero dashboard and click on Sales. This is where the journey begins to personalize your financial documents. Once you've clicked Sales, a menu will drop down. Find and select Sales Settings from this menu. This takes you to a hub where you can oversee and manage various sales-related settings. Now that you're in the right place, the next step is to click on Invoice Settings. This section is incredibly powerful, as it provides you with the capability to not only edit existing invoice templates, but also customize the branding themes. This customization is crucial, as it ensures all your client-facing documents are consistent with your brand identity. One exciting feature here is the option to create a new branding theme. To do this, simply click on New Branding Theme. Initially, this will come pre-filled with default values. However, don't let this deter you. You have the full liberty to replace these defaults with specifics that resonate more closely with your brand and business requirements. As you delve into customization, consider the array of elements you can edit. This includes changing titles. For instance, you can modify the invoice title, credit note title, statement title, purchase order title, and even quote titles. If the term estimate sounds more fitting to your business model than quote, you have the flexibility to make that adjustment. Beyond titles, another integral part of customization is adding details that facilitate smoother transactions and communications. This could include listing payment services, establishing terms and payment advice, and of course your contact information to ensure customers can easily get in touch when needed. Once you've meticulously entered and reviewed all the necessary details, the final step is straightforward. Simply click Save. With that, your customized templates are firmly in place, uniquely crafted to align with your business's needs and style. And that's all there is to it. Customizing your documents in Xero ensures that every financial interaction is not only efficient, but also visually aligned with the professionalism your business represents. Following these steps will empower you to enhance the functionality and presentation of your invoices, quotes, purchase orders, and receipts. I trust this guide has been clear and helpful, making the customization process in Xero a breeze for you. Thank you for watching, and I wish you success in all your business endeavors using Xero.